Hey guys, today I gonna show you how to boost your increase speed in Windows 10 PC easily and improve your computer performance. So let's start and speed up the computer easily. Tips number 1. Update Windows. You make sure that your Windows PC is up to date. Microsoft always develop new technology and always new driver coming out and these impact for your computer performance. To check for update, go down in option in taskbar and type update and in top click check updates. This open up window update. You can see window update, so click on check for updates. If any update comes, then install new updates and download its new update for window update. Tips number 2. Uninstall apps. Uninstall those apps whose not used longer now and never used now. If you remove these apps in your computer, space is free and they not run in the background. So uninstall app, go down in the taskbar and type add or remove program. Click on the best match. This opens up the feature apps features. Look down, you see all different apps you have installed in your computer. So remove unwanted apps you do not used and increase your computer or PC performance easily. Tips number 3. Disable startup apps. When you start your Windows 10 PC or laptop, some apps automatically run when you start the PC. To stop these apps, search field type in taskbar startup apps and click on best match. So here you saw all startup apps. So check these apps one by one. If you think those apps are not longer used, turn off these apps now and improve your system performance or resources and increase your computer and boost your computer speed easily. Tips number 4. Free up storage space. In Windows 10, if in your hard drive have fill more space, then remove some unwanted files like picture, movies, software, and because if your hard drive is full in your computer is slow down. So go to taskbar, search field storage setting, click on best match. This open up storage setting. Right, you can see hard drive and how much space is used and how much space is free. If your space is nearly full, then free some space like temporary files, video, picture, etc. are deleted. Just click on videos or and view videos or temporary files and go to manually free some space. Or you set storage sense can automatically free up. On just click on if your storage sense can automatically is off, turn on now and click on configure storage sense or run it now. Within storage sense, decide run storage sense is during low free disk space and take temporary file automatically remove temporary files. Recycle bin file automatically delete after 7 days you set now and also set download folders. These settings up you increase your computer speed easily. Tips number 5. Task manager. You can use a task manager in your PC and browser also to see what's consuming your system resources. To access task manager in your PC, go down the taskbar, right click and then go to the option of task manager. This opens up a simple task manager. So here you can see all apps and icon currently have running and open. Now those apps not longer using, close this app to click an app and right click and end the task. I also see additional setting like how much many sources any one of three these apps running. Let's check this open ups detailed task manager and here show running and opening apps also background running. So in these also show how much apps CPU is using, how much memory is using, how much disk is using, how much more memory is using. Also all these show resources used by the apps. Also, you clear your browser task manager. In browser have their own task manager and you spend lots of time in browser, and browser really slow down their computer, especially if you have lot of tab is open the task manager in any browser. Simply right click on the top edge header and go down the task manager. On browser task manager option, this opens the browser task manager, and it's look like pretty similar to PC or window task manager. You can see all different tabs are running in browser. You also see these tabs usage memory, CPU, also the network usage. So click on the tab and end the process whose app not used. If these options task manager running don't running files is ends, your computer is speed is up. Turn on high performance mode. By default, your computer set the balance performance, it balance energy. However, if you want best performance, turn on the high performance mode. To go down to in the task manager, type power and sleep setting. Click on the best match. In power and sleep setting, on right side, see and click on additional power setting. Now here you see click on balance recommended, so you click on high recommend performance, choose now and set your high performance mode and speed up your computer speed. Tips number 7, Windows security. In Windows 10, no need to install additional virus software because Windows has own your virus protection option. There is no need to run McAfee, Norton. These only consume additional resources and your computer is slow down. But in Windows 10 provided much additional protection. To access Windows security, go to taskbar and search Windows security and click on the best match. This opens up Windows security at a glance, and it provides virus and threat protection, also a firewall and network protection. Basically, other virus software they do same work. Over here, click on virus and protection. You can scan your PC. You can also check for updates. So there is no need to install additional virus software. So no need to install other virus software. Tips number 8, disable background apps. It is just a click a task manager background apps. Check out search in taskbar, search in backgrounds apps and click on the best match. This open up all the different background apps running on your computer now. And here you can see entire many background apps is running and currently turn on. So those app do not use, turn off those apps to reduce system resources and your computer speed is high. Tips number 9, visual effects. To adjust the visual effects, just go down in taskbar and search adjust the appearance and performance of window. Click on best match. This open up the performance option, and here you can see all different visual of window is usage. Now maybe you decide that I don't know fade, I don't want no fade or slide menu in view. Tick on this or untick on this, choose as desired. So I can uncheck the box and click on apply, then OK. As you desired, you set the visual effects and speed up your computer and laptop. Tips number 10, turn off transparency in window. To turn off transparency in window, search in taskbar, show transparency in window and click on the best match. Here you show window setting is open. There here show slight bit transparency is here. So turn off transparency effect for click on this and save little bit for more system resources and performance little bit better. And your Windows 10 computer and laptop speed is up. Tips number 11, reset your PC. If your PC is extremely slow after these settings take down, then reset your PC. To reset your PC, search in taskbar, reset the PC. This opens up the recovery options. Here you show reset the PC. When you click on get started, you ask some permission. Your file here ask your two permission, save, keep my file, yeah, or remove everything. Choose yourself. You remove all thing or you save your files. Click on best match and reset your system and speed up your Windows 10 PC and laptop easily. Tips number 12. Defragment and optimize drive. To defragment drive, go to taskbar and search defragment and optimize drives. Click on the best match. Now you see optimize driver window. Now select your system drive means C drive. Click on this and optimize the C drives after process is complete. You can close the window and speed up is your high and your Windows 10 system and PC is high speed is high. Tips number 13. Delete unnecessary files. To delete unnecessary file in keyboard press Windows plus R key at same time. Now type temp and delete temporary file to select all. Again in keyboard press Windows plus R key and now type %temp% and select all files and shift and delete all these files. Same third times press keyboard key Windows plus or key and type prefetch prefetch. Also select all files and delete these files. If you delete unnecessary temporary files, your system speed is high. Tips number 14. Clean up memory. Open your computer window, right click on C drive and choose properties option. Now go to general tabs here. You show disk cleanup option. Click on this and it scanning the files. When scanning is finished, you can see new window and click on clean up system files. And it scan again. After complete scan, a new open window this. Now click on OK. It will ask you to delete files. Click on delete files. Don't worry, they delete only unnecessary files, not your main files. So and clean up your drives. Now clean your process is done. Your system resources is up and your system speed is high. Today I tell you these tips and tricks to use in Windows 10 computer and laptops, and use these tips and tricks to better your system performance and your speed up is high. So if you like this video now, and you are first time visit my channel, subscribe my channel also and share this video. Thank you.